Friends, hello, I hope you are well. Let's talk about Genius Group here. I want to make this short, simple, to the point. Bullet points on the chalkboard right now, what we're looking at with Genius Group. First of all, I hope you're having a good day. Did I already say that? I don't know. Well, I hope you are, because I'm going to be honest what is going on here with Genius Group. I've been down this road with this company quite a bit, and listen, this is not a cutthroat video on Genius Group. I like Genius Group. I root for this company and investors, but it's had a rocky history here, and it's let down a lot of people. Reverse splits, recently another reverse split back in February of this year even, and since then we have still seen the stock slide down to really bad numbers, even just 2 weeks ago being right above 50 cents. So right now where we're at, this is what is going on with Genius Group is that Genius Stock Alert, Genius Group surges ahead of spinoff, which the spinoff August 31st. If you want to be a part of that, you have to buy 2 days prior of August 31st. So by 29th, so tomorrow will be your last day, or today whenever you're watching this, to be a part of what's going on here, where you will get additional shares of this spin-off company they are part of. And I'll put some things up here so you can read it, but I'm not going to go into detail what's going on here. I think majority of people that have clicked on this video obviously know what's going on. If you don't, well, here's what's going on and you can read it. But this isn't like new news. This has been going on and people have been waiting for this to happen here. The problem is that Genius Group is just, it's had its moment here to where it's kind of fading away and it's losing traction, sadly. And I'm talking into the future here, obviously into September. So saying that, I think we're probably going to have one more big day here. The end of August here might bring some good stuff. It might see a little bit more here. Tomorrow being the last day, 29th, I'm assuming you can buy then. That would count. I could be wrong on that. I could be definitely wrong on that. We'll probably more than likely see high volume. Now, here's where I have to play devil's advocate. I don't want to be one of these guys that is hyping it up and pumping it up. I don't want to see people get caught in something that I know a lot of people I've talked to in the past that have already gotten caught in Genius Group. And I'm not trying to make a cutthroat video towards Genius Group whatsoever. I'm rooting for this company. I am. The situation is right now is that I've seen situations like this. I think a lot of people that have been in the market for at least a year or so, a few years, have seen this happen before, where there's spin-off, there's extra shares involved, you're going to get part of this, a chunk of this, if you buy here, time stamp date with this. The problem is once it's done, then, everyone goes, oh, well, I don't care about Genius Group anymore. And, most of the people that are involved right now, more than likely are sharks in the water that, and they're catching the chum in the water right now. And once the chum runs out here September 1st, August 31st, it's probably going to fall back down. And that's the sad part about what's happening here. So I'm only talking about this because I've had people asking about it. There's people in here that are making money, obviously, and you're doing a good job if you're making money on it, and you should. That's the fun of what's happening right now. It's fun to get a piece of the pie right now. Will the pie get bigger here? Hey, it may go to $3 tomorrow. I don't know. It may. But it may just be bouncing back from $2 to $2.60. We may not beat the threshold of $3 here. But hopefully, hey, I'm wrong. My concern is that the long run of this for people that are in here not really knowing the history, the balance sheet, the finances of what's going on here with Genius Group, buying in so high right now, going into the first week of September, you're probably going to have a rude awakening of what is actually taking place here. So friends, please be careful if you're buying in deep right now, because this is probably going to bring some hardship and some long-term bag holding if you're buying into this right now. And I only say this because I've just seen situations like this play out before, and they get people in bad situations. Friends, I really do wish every single one of you the best of luck. Let me know what you've won out of it. Let me know how you made on it. I think it's fun. It's a fun situation what's going on right now, but the long-term growth of what's going to be happening here, I think Genius Group is going to fall back down here, sadly. I don't think the pillars that are being built right now are actually strong enough to hold up what's coming here into September, especially into the rest of this year, where the majority of the market is being preached doom and gloom. So friends, Take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.